Yes. Namaskar students. I hope it's audible to everyone. Yes. Is it audible? Students? Okay. Okay, good. Okay. So should we discuss the answer key now? Yes. Okay. Okay. So just a minute. Yes. Hello students. Is it audible to everyone? Tell me. Okay. So yes, tell me, is it audible? Okay. Fine. Is it audible to everyone, students? Okay, fine. Then so we'll see the answer key now. Okay. Okay. So here, so for the first Jawahar Navodaya Vidhyalaya part 1. Okay. So in the mental ability, first will be odd one out, right? So first will be odd one out. So we'll see the odd one out answers here. So this first one here, the line cutting is the part of the one of the end. Here also end, here also end. It is in the middle. So that is why C is the answer. Second one, C is the answer, right? That is upward. This is also W upward. This is also upward. This is downward. So that is why C is the answer. Third one is B, because if you see, the middle line is longer here. All in that the middle line is same. So that is why B is the answer. Fourth one, answer is option D. Very easy, because all are same and D is the different, right? Yes, good. So tell me the answer for now. Fifth question, students. So this is a similar figure, same figure, which is same. Fifth one, fifth one is option C is same. Okay, now sixth one, which is same, tell me. Sixth one is option A. Here everything is same in A, not B. It is different. C is different, D is different, right? So this is in the top, the circle is missing in the D. Okay, okay, good. So next here, that is seventh one. What is the seventh answer here? If you see seventh one, so this is the question here and the answer is given here, right? The question and answer is given here. So that is the next page. Okay, so this, which is same figure for this, the same figure is option A for the seventh. Same figure is option A for the seventh here. Okay, eighth, which is same, this A is same for the eighth. A is the same for the eighth. And then ninth, which is the same, that is D is that is 9th here, 8th is done. Next part 3 is 9th question. So part 3 is, that is we have to complete the figure completion. Here we have to find the missing. So D is the answer for 9th, right? D is the answer for 9th one. Here C, don't be confused with C, that triangle is not proper. So that is D is the answer for 9th one. Okay now? Okay, next tell me the 10th answer. Here 10th answer is what? That is, if you see, this will be complete. Here the color part will come in this, right? The color part will come in this. Okay na? So that is option D will come correct. 10th question, option D will come correct. Now 11th answer is option A here. 11th answer is option A here. Okay na? Okay, good. So in 12th, what this side is the same means this side if you make same, so this is where it will come. Okay, so the color part, what this may come here or here, so that is not proper answer. This will come on the same side, right? So on the same side means they should come like this, isn't it? So that is why none of the answer here, none of the answer are correct. So 12th is a grace question. Okay, okay, good. Next let us go to next question, that is here 13th question. What is the answer for 13th question here? So in this box, then minus sign or a line, and then below and this side, and then top will come one more. Top will come one more means option B is the proper. Option B is the proper. Now 14th. Here if you see number of lines, count the number of line in 14. 3 lines, 3 sides. 4 lines, 4 sides. 5 lines, 5 sides. And here 6 lines, 6 sides will come. Right? So 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides. Option is option B for the 14th. Understood everyone? Okay, good. Next, 15th question. 15th question, the question is here and the answer is here, right? So that is the no proper answer here. Okay, no proper answer. Actually there should be a color, there should be color. If there is a color, then we can say next it will be non-color, right? So you can say next will be non-color, right? One color, non-color, one color, non-color, right? So next it should be what? That is dot without color. So that should be the answer, but it is not given proper. So you take it as grace. 15 is what? Grace, you have to take it. Okay, okay. So that is 15 is what? Grace question. It is a grace question. Okay, okay, good. So next here students, that is 16th question. Here 16th question, two parts are added, two petals are added. Here 2 here, here next 2, here next 2, here this will complete means option C will come answer. 16th is option C here. 16th is option C. Okay, okay, good. Everyone like the video? How many students have joined? Tell me. Only 19 students. Why? Okay, so everyone join the class. Okay, tell your friends to join. So next we will see. Okay. So next here 16th is option. Here C is the answer. Okay. Now part 5 now. Part 5 answers 17th question. So what is happening here? That is square and then circle inside, two diagonals are coming. Here square is in the diamond shape. So circle and two diagonals means option D will be the answer. Option D will be the answer for the 17th. Okay na? Okay. Next 18th. What will be the answer? Tell me. Here we have to see analogy. This is analogy, right? So 4 parts, 4 boxes. This 4 parts, 4 boxes, that is triangles will come, right? So here 4 triangles means what is the answer for 18? Tell me. That is answer option A, right? So that is not a triangle, same will come. Here a square just rotated. This square, if you just rotate it, you just have to rotate it. Okay na? So if you do that, A answer will come for the 18th. Okay na? Don't be confused with B. A is the answer for 18th. Okay. that is not a triangle, square only will come, just it is rotated, just we have to rotate it. Okay, okay. Next here 19th, so this is the figure, this is look like a mirror image. So if it is the mirror image, if you take, answer will be option A for the 19th one. A for the 19th, sorry, not A, that is line will come horizontal here, here it is vertical line. Okay, so horizontal line, that is option C for the 19th. Option C for the 19th is the answer. Okay, now 20 question. So what is happening, this is rotated this side. If you rotate it this side, this will look like option B in the clockwise direction. 20 is B answer. Okay now, okay. Now let us see the part 6. Part 6 will be geometrical figure completion. Geometry completion, right? Geometry completion. Okay, so in the geometry completion, so that is here. Okay, that is which here 21 to 24, right? So 20 question here, then 21 here, 21 is there. Okay, so 20 question here is the geometrical completion, that is what instruction, and 21 question is here, 21 question is here. Okay, so 21, this if you join it, it will come little bit slanted, it will come little bit slanted. So slanted is in option A, not in B. Okay, fine. So B will not be the answer, A is the answer for 21. Understood? Little bit slanted will come, option A is the answer. 22, so this will complete a triangle, this will complete a triangle. So what will complete a triangle? Answer will be option D. 22 will be option D will complete the triangle. 23, so if you join it here, if you join it here, so answer will be option C. Answer will be option C here. Okay now, okay, good. 23 is option C. 24, so here this line is there, right? This line should not be there. Okay, so you have to remove that line and then it will be easy. So this line is there, right? So this line we have to remove it. Okay, then it will be easy to find the answer. Okay, so the answers are here, 24 answers are in the next page here. Okay, so if you see and draw and complete the figure, so this is how it will look. So which answer will be? Option C will be the answer. With answer C will be the answer. Okay, so 24 is option C here. Okay, so that line we have to remove it. Okay, so if you remove the line, answer C will be the correct. Okay now, okay, good. So next here 24 is done. Now next part 25 is mirror image. Mirror image, what will be the answer here? So this will look like this and one line, right? So that will be the mirror image. Here this is near, this will be how the mirror image will be formed. Option C is the answer for the 25th. Now 26th, 26th there is no answer. Here it should be like this, right? 4 will look like this. So 4 will look like this means none of the answers are there. This is how it is not there. So this is rotated. Here it is below. Here is also below. Here is also below. Here is also below. Not possible. So you take it as grace for 26. Okay. So 26 is done. Next, let us go to 27 question. 2, 4, 6 mirror image. We have to go from 6. 6 will look like this. 4 will look like this and 2 will look like this. Okay na? So answer will be option is C. Answer will be option C for the 27. Okay na? Okay. So that is 2, 4 and 6. 6 will come in the starting and then 4 and then 2. So 6, 4 and 2 answer is option C is the correct. So in D don't be confused. Here it is same 2. In D same 2 is there. Now 28. So this arrow, 2 arrows are pointing towards the mirror. One arrow is away. One arrow is what? That is towards the mirror. This is how the figure will look. So top 2 arrows will be in the towards left and then right side and then left side. So that is B is the answer here. Okay, B is the answer here. That is how it will look. So this arrow will look like this. This arrow will look point towards the mirror. This is away from the mirror. So away from the mirror. This is towards the mirror. This is towards the mirror. Okay na? Okay, good. So next part 8. What will be the part 8, students? That is paper folding. Paper folding and cutting. Okay na? So paper folding if you see, what will be the answer for this? That is here 29 question. So if you open this up, so this is how it will look, and then this will create the paper. Okay, so this is how it will look, and then there will be one more here. Okay, and then this side also one more will come. Okay, okay, this side also one more will come here. So it will look like a diamond here, it will look like a diamond here, and two sides. So that is option C is the correct. So that is in A only bottom part is cut here, not possible. And in B, what is there, this diamond became straight, not possible in B. And in D there is no cut part in the end of the paper, so that is why not a D answer. Okay, I hope you have understood that. Next, let us go to 29 is done. 30 question, 30 question is next page here. So 30 question, if you fold this and you have to open it up, so this looks like a circle, right? This is like a circle, means it will complete the circle. And then if you open it this side, if you open it this side, there will be one more circle here. It will open this side, means there will be one more circle. You go with the options now. This circle is in the same line, so you have closed this side, means you have to open this side only. Okay, so you complete this circle will complete, and then this circle will go here the diagonal way. This circle, if you open this closed eye this side, this is closed this side, so you open it this side, means the circle will come in the diagonal side. In the diagonal side, which is there, option D is the only in the diagonal side. Okay, now that is the answer, none of them are the answers. Okay, okay, next 31 question. So this is there, so if you open it here two times, here we have to open, and then answer will be option B is option A. You can go with easily. So this is not possible B. Why? Because it is in the center. This only one side is there, one more side also required, right? This side, so that is one more side also, like this it will require. Okay, so that is why not there. So this is like what, same in the same direction, it cannot come. D is not possible, C is not possible. Okay, so that is why the answer option A is the correct. Now 32 question. So if you fold it, there is a T here. Again if you open it, the one more T will come here, one more T will come here. Okay, one more T will come here, that is same here. Okay, so if you see, and then if you open it this side also, there will be two T's here. Okay, in the middle, and then this side also T, this side also T. So with this only we can tell the answer. A, this side is not there, not possible. And then B, if you see, is the answer. And in C, this side it is missing, not possible, right? And in D, it is not possible because it is not there in the middle. So that is the answer, only option B for the 32 question. Okay, okay, good. So that is the answer. Next, let us go to the next, that is 33 question, students. So 33, here is the instruction, that is 33 question here. So we have to join the figures and make a complete figure, right? So make a complete figure here. So 33, what will be the answer, tell me? Yes, that is, if you join it here only, you will get option B, C as the answer, option C as the answer for 33. Okay, now 34. So if you join it here, one triangle, this one part and this one part, so that is A is the answer, right? So A is the answer, little bit it is came here. Okay, so that is why nothing will happen, that is option A is the answer for this. Okay, none of them are answer, you can check. B is not possible, C is not there, D is not there. Which will be the answer? Option A only will be the answer for 34. Okay, now okay, good. Next year, students, that is 35. So 35, what is the answer here? If you join them, you will get what? This triangle, you can check which is not there. D, B is not possible because there is one extra triangle here. And in a D, and what is the answer? In D is the answer. Okay, so this part, if you see, the line is slanted here, and in D, A, that is line slanted here. This triangle is not there. In A, this triangle is not there, this line is a little bit slanted. These are like parallel lines, straight lines, right? So that is why D is the answer here. Okay, now? Okay, now? Okay, good. Next, 35th we done. 37, 36 here. So you just have to join in the same places, you will get the answer option A. Answer option A is correct for the 36th question. Okay now? Okay, good, very easy. Now 37. So 37, here we have to see hidden figure. What do you have to find? How to find hidden, where it is hidden. So 37. So 37 is hidden here. B is the answer, because here if you see that will come here. Okay now? And then one more line here, one more line, so it is here. Okay, understood? So not in A, because one line is missing here. Okay, and C is not, and then what, D is also not. Why? Because it is a straight line here, that should be slanted here little bit, right? So that is why B is the correct answer. Okay now, this is little bit what, straight line here, not possible for D. Now 38, this figure where it is hidden, we'll see here. So 38, if you see, yes, here are the answers. Option A is the answer here. It is hidden here. Okay now? Okay, it is hidden here. That is 38 is hidden in option A. Okay, not in B. C, don't be confused in C. It is what? That is wedge here. That is inside wedge here. Don't mark C. So A is the answer for 38. It is like this figure is hidden here. Okay now? Okay, good. Next here students, that is 39 question. What is the answer for 39? Tell me. Yes? Okay. So 39 question, the answer is a what? 6 figure, that is hexagon, right? So 6 figure hexagon is the answer, means that is hidden in the option B, that is the star. It is hidden in the star here. Okay, that is hidden in the star. Okay now, this is here inside this. Okay, B is the answer. Now 40, where it is hidden? 40 is hidden in the option, that is B. 40 is hidden in the option B. Here it is, right? You can see here easily, it is hidden in the B option. Okay now? Okay, good. So now should we go to the next section students? Everyone is able to understand? Yes, everyone like the video? Share with your friends also. Okay, okay. So tell me the answer for the arithmetic section now. This arithmetic section, maths, we will do now. So the question 41 is what? In the given figure, which of the angles are greater than a right angle? Greater than a right angle means what? That is 90 degree. More than 90 degree, which angles are there, we have to see. Okay, okay. So here this fifth one is more than 90 degree. So 90 degree means that will be like this. This is 90 degree. More than two straight perpendicular lines will be 90 degree. So if you see here, 2 is more than 90 degree, this will be 90 degree. This line if you draw, right, that will be more than 90 degree. Second angle is more than 90 degree, and then if you draw this, if you see, then third is also, first will go for first. So first is not more than 90 degree, second one is more than 90 degree. Yes, more than 90 degree. Third one is also more than 90 degree. Fourth one is also more than 90 degree. Fifth one here inside, that is also reflex angle. Fifth one is reflex angle, that is also more than 90 degree. And sixth one is not. Sixth one is acute angle. Sixth one is acute angle. So which are all? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 is option D. So these are what? More than 90 degree angle. Okay, so that is the answer. 42 now. Should we go to the next question now? So here, that is 42. So the bar graph shown the number of cards sold. The number of what it shows? Number of cards sold. Okay, okay. So then what you have to find from the given graph? The total number of cars, that is cars sold in the month of January, March and May is January, March and May. So January is this, March is this, and May is this. So that is what? If you see, January is January, and then March, and then May. So January is how much? 20,000. 20,000 plus March is what? That is here 10,000. 10,000, and then May, here January is 20,000, March is 10,000 and May is 15,000. Okay, so 15,000 here. May is what? 15,000. So plus 15,000 you have to add. So 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 14, 15, 45,000 option is option C. That is 45,000 will be the answer here. Okay, na? Okay, good. Next, students, 43 question. Tell me the answer for 43 now. So the question is measure of the angle between the directions north, east and south, east. So if you draw the direction north, south, east and west. North, east is this side and south, east is this side. So between them there will be 90 degree, because you know this is 90 degree. Two lines. Here also what? It is between the two lines only. That is why 90 degree. Okay, na? So that is, we already know that. So that is 90 degree. So if you draw these two lines only, that is, there will be 90 degree answer. So answer is option B is the answer for the 43rd. Okay, na? So 43rd answer is 90 degree. Okay, 44. So what is the question? Breadth of a floor of a room is 9 meter. It requires 7,500 tiles of 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter each to cover the floor. The length of the floor room is, we have to find it. So here we know number of tiles is 7,500 and the tile area is this much, and room is given as 9 meter. Okay, now so here that is what? So total area will be tiles, number of tiles into tile area. Okay, so number of tiles are 7,500 here, into one tile area is 15 into 12 centimeter. 15 into 12, that is length into breadth. So length into breadth, you just have to multiply 15 into 12 here. Okay, na? Okay, so total area will be, that is this floor area, total floor area. So total floor area, floor is given as a 9 meter and this tile is in centimeter. We have to make it a same both. So 9 meter means how much? 9 meter means 900 centimeter. That is the given as breadth. That is given as breadth. So breadth will be 9 meter, that is 900 centimeter. So breadth into length we already know, that is length into breadth. So breadth we have to find it, that is length we have to find it. Breadth is 900 centimeter. This will also be centimeter square, this will also be centimeter square. That is why we have to make it into same unit. Okay, now? Okay. So next here 900 we have to divide that side. So length will be 7,500 into 15 into 12 divided by 900. We will divide now. So here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros cancel. Okay, these 2 zeros cancel. 9 here we can divide with what? That is 3 table. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Again I will divide with a 3. 3 how much are 15? 3 5s are 15. So what is the remaining? 75 into 5 into 4. So 75 into 5 into 4. So that is 5 4s are 20. 20 75 is 1,500 centimeter. 1,500 centimeter means 15 meter is the answer. So length will be 15 meter. Option D is the correct answer for 44. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, now that is 15 centimeter is the answer here. Okay, okay, good. I hope everyone understood this 44 question. This is the 44 question. Now 45th. What is the question now? 45th. Here 45th question. Okay, okay. So 45th question here. Perimeter of the rectangle is, we have to find it. They have given length. This is the length 4 meter and breadth is this, that is 3 meter. They have given you the diagonal to confuse you. Don't take them. Okay, so length is 4, breadth is 3 meter. So how do you find the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth of a rectangle. So 2 times of length is 3, that is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, if you add 7, 7 to the 14 meter will be the answer option B. Okay, answer option B for the 46 question. 46 question this is, okay, not 45, 46 question. Now 45 we have to do here. So this is we would have missed it, right? Okay, so should we do 45 now? Here I will do 45. So 45, a shopkeeper bought some pencil at the rate of 48 per dozen and sold them at the rate of 4.5 per pencil. His profit per dozen is question mark. So 48, a shopkeeper bought some pencil at the rate of 48 per dozen. 48 per dozen means for 12 pencil, right? So cost price is 48 rupees per dozen and selling price is 4.5 rupees for one pencil. 4.5 rupees for one pencil, it is one pencil, okay, one pencil, this is 44.5. So for one dozen, selling price of dozen will be, we have to multiply with 12. So 4.5 into 12, it will be how much? That will be 40, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 6 will be there. So 48 plus 6 is 54. So 54 rupees is the selling price and cost price is 48 rupees for the dozen. Dozen cost price is 48 rupees and selling price of dozen is 54 rupees. So profit will be how much? If you minus it, you will get 54 minus 48 will be 8 answer, right? That is 6 rupees is the profit for dozen. 6 rupees is the profit for one dozen, means that is option B here. They are asking his profit for a dozen. Okay na? So here selling price of 1 is given, one pencil. So from that you have to multiply with 12 and find for one dozen. Okay, I hope you will be able to do. Will everyone be able to do? Tell me. Okay, good. So that is 45 is option here, that is B is the answer. You got 6 rupees. Okay. Okay. So next here, that is 47. So 11,250 square tiles of each side at 20 centimeter have to be paved in a rectangular courtyard of length 25 meter. The perimeter of the courtyard. So they have given what? Same as this. That is same as the 44 question. So 47 question we will do now. Okay, so that is 11,000 square tiles of each side at 20 centimeter. So same formula you have to use. What is the formula? Total floor area will be number of tiles into one tile area, right? So here, so floor area is equal to, that is number of tiles into what? That is, tell me, tile area, right? Tile area. So here number of tiles are how many? 11,250. 11,250 into tile area, that is each of a square side 20 centimeter. So square area is length into length, that is 20 into 20. Okay, that will be the floor area. And floor area is length into breadth, right? They have given length as a 25 meter. Length as a 25 meter. And here the square is 20 centimeter. We have to convert it into centimeter now. 25 meter means 25 into 100 centimeter, right? So that is 2500 centimeter here length. Okay, breadth we have to find, means divide that side. Okay, so length will be 2500 into breadth. Okay, 2500 into breadth here. So that is here this side. So you don't multiply and you take it that side and it will divide it, right? So if you take it that side, it will divide. So breadth will be 11,250 into 20 into 20. That is tile area. Length into length for the, or side into side for the square. So this you have to divide with 2,500 now. 2,500. Cancel the zeros. So 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 1 0 here. 2 zeros cancel here. So 25 is there. So 25 you divide it now. 25 how much are? 25 4 is 100. 12 will be remaining. 25 5 is. So 45 and 0 as it is. This 0 as it is. Okay. This 0 as it is, we have to keep it. Okay now. So 450 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So 454 is a 180. So 180 means that is 1800 meter is the breadth. 1800 means 18 meter. 18 meter is option A. 18 meter means option A will be the answer. Okay na? Okay. I hope you understood this. Got it? Okay. So 18 meter is the answer here. Okay. Okay. Good. So that is how you have to do the 47 question here. Okay. Okay. So next students, that is 48 question. Should we do 48 question now? So 48 question is what? That is this. A shopkeeper gained 3 by 5 of its cost price on selling a mobile for 6,000. The cost price of the mobile phone is. So the shopkeeper gained how much? 3 by 5 of its cost price. So go with option. Better you go with option here. Okay. So here let us take option A. Okay. Options. Option A 3,500. So gain will be, this is cost price means this is cost price. Gain means profit. Profit will be 3 by 5, yeah? 3 by 5th. 3 by 5 means 3 by 5 of how much? 3,500. It will be how much? 5. How much? 5 700. 7 3s are 2,100. Right? So if you cancel, so 5 7s are, so 700 will come. 3 7s are 21. So 2,100 profit. Now selling price will be how much? It is 3,500 and 2,100. If you add both of them, will you get 6,000? Will not get 6,000. That you will get 5,600. You will get 5,600. You will get. So the answer should be more than 3,500. So the answer should be more than 3,500. How much more? See here. If you see here, how much we have less for 6,000 selling price? Selling price should be 6,000, right? So this should be selling price. Okay. And this is the cost price. That is the gain they are telling. Gain means profit. Okay. So that is 400 more means we need how much? That is here 400 more. 400 paisa means that is okay. So you go with option is option here C. You go with option C. What answer will come here? So 2000. So that is 5. How much? 5 8 is 40. 40 32. 32 means that is if you add, you will not get that also. You will get maybe answer option B is the answer. So let us see with B here. So 3,750 is the cost price. If you take the cost price, they are asking, right? If you take this as the cost price, profit will be 3/5. So 3 by 5 of 3,750. Now you cancel it. So 5 how much? 5 7s are 35. 2 will bring 5 5s are 25, and remaining will be 5 zeros. So 753s are 753s is how much? 2,250, right? So 2,200 profit will come as, this is profit. Okay. So selling price is cost price plus profit. Okay. That is gain. So that is here. So these two you have to add it. If you are getting confused, 3,500 plus 2,100, you will get how much? That is 5,600. Not possible. So this will answer come. So if you multiply 750 into 3, 753 is 2,250. So selling price will be 3,750 plus 2,250. So 0 0 carry 1 800 and then what? 5,800. So answer is option C, that is 4,000 will come. 4,000 will be the answer here. So 3 by 5 of 4,000 will be, if you take 5 8 is, so what? 5 800 is 800 3 is 2,400. So 2,400 if you add, you will not get the answer here. Okay. Okay. So you will not get the answer here. That is okay. So what will be the answer? Tell me. 3,000. That is 2,250. Okay. Selling a mobile for 6,000. Okay. So should we do, or else should we do with, that is what? Answer is not coming, right? 3/5 of a mobile price on selling a mobile for this, right? So profit. Okay. Okay. So that is our answer should come option B, right? So 3/5 of this selling price. 3/5 will be how much? 5 7s are 35, 2 5 5s are 25, 0 753s are 2250. 2250 if you add 0 0 carry 1. Oh. Here 10 will come, right? Sorry. So 10 6,000 will come. Option B is the correct answer, right? Yes, you will get 6,000. That is the answer. Option B is the answer here. B is the answer. Okay. So this is how you have to do with options, or I will tell the method also. I will tell the method also. So how to do method wise? So if you see method wise, that is for profit is what? Profit is 3 by 5 times of cost price. 3 by 5 times of cost price. Okay, understood? So we know selling price will be what? Cost price plus profit. So cost price, selling price is given as 6,000 rupees, and here cost price is cost price, you write. Profit will be 3 by 5 times of cost price. So cost price here one time, cost price one time, and 3 by 5 times. So if you add, what will come? 1 plus 3 by 5. 1 plus 3 by 5 one time here, and 3 by 5 time. So one time and 3 by 5 time, if you add, you will get 8 by 5 time. 8 by 5 times. 8 by 5 times of cost price is 6,000. Now you have to take reciprocal and multiply, right? Then you have to take that side and multiply. So 5 will multiply, 8 will divide. So cost price will be, that is 6,000 into 5 will go up and divide by 8. 8 will come below. Okay, now 8 will come below, 5 will go up. Okay, that is reciprocal. 5 by 8 will become, if you divide by 8, what answer will come? That is, you will get answer 3,750. So if you divide 3,750, you will get option is the answer. This is how you have to do with method wise. Okay, okay, good. So next, students, here that is 49 question. Should you do 49 question now? So it is easy. 49 is easy. They have given the value of A is 6. Value of A is how much? That is 6 here. Okay, okay. So value of A is 6 means, so A is equal to 6 means here A is A divided by A plus 4. So I will take it here. Okay, this I will take it here. So what will come answer for this? So 6 for this, that is what? 6 divided by 6 plus 4, that is 4 here, plus here A plus 2. A plus 2 means 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2 divided by 12 minus 2 plus 3 minus, it is minus 3 by 10. So if you can do the calculation, 6 divided by 10 this one, plus 8 divided by 10 this one. 6 plus 2 8 divided by 10 minus 3 by 10, minus 3 by 10. So here 6 plus 8 is how much here? 14. 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 by 10. 11 by 10 option is option C here. 11 by 10 answer is option C. Okay, na? Okay, good. So that is how you have to do this question. I hope you understood, everyone. Okay. Okay, good. Next here 50 question I will do here. So what is the question? A number of bottles of each capacity 245 ml can be filled from a can containing 14.7 liters of oil. So oil is how much? That is 14.7 liter. 1 liter means 1000 ml. So 14.7 into 1000 if you do, that will be in ml. So 14,700. 14 liter means 14,000.7 means 700 ml. Okay, now? So that much is oil. So in that we have to make number of bottles. Number of bottles will be what? Is equal to oil divided by bottle capacity. Bottle capacity. So what is the bottle capacity? Oil is 14,700 ml divided by 1 bottle capacity is 245 ml. Both should be in ml, same answer. So now let us divide it. So if you divide by how much? 45, 245, that is, it will be divisible by 5 table, right? So 5 how much? 5 4s are 20, and then 5 9s are 45. Here also if you divide by 5, answer will come as how much? That is 5, how much? That is 2s are 10, and that is 5 9s are 45, 4 will be 5 8s are 40, 5 zeros are, right? Okay, so next here if you again divide by 49, so 49, how much? So should I do directly? That is what? Here. So let me divide. So we will 49 will be divided by 7. 7 how much? 7. That is 50 question, right? Yes. So what? 5 4s are 20. 4 will be remaining. 5 9s are 45. Here 5 2s are 10. 4 will be remaining. 5 9s are 45. 2 will be remaining, right? Here 2 will be remaining. 2 will be remaining. So 5 4s are 20 here. Okay. That is, so 2 will be remaining 20. 5 4s are 20. 5 zeros are. Now you have to divide it. Okay. So if you divide by 7 here now. 7 how much? 7 7s are 49. 7 8 is a 7 4s are 28. 1 will be remaining. 7 2s are 14. Zeros are. So if you again divide with what? 7 here. 7 1s are 7. 7 6 are 42. 0 as it is. So 60 bottles. There will be how many bottles? 60 bottles will be there. Option is option B for the 50 question. 60 bottles will come. Okay. Okay. I hope everyone understood that. Right. You can watch this video again. You can watch this video again. Okay. So that is the answer option. 60 bottles will come. Got it? Okay, good. So next, students, that is what? 51 question. We'll do 51 question now. So what is 127 hours is equivalent to? So 51 question. 127 hours. 127 hours means 1 day means 24 hours. So divide with 24. So 127 divided by 24. So let us do it. 24 ones are 24. 24 5s are how much? That will be 120. So 5 days. 120 means 7 hours. 5 days, 7 hours will be the answer. 5 days, 7 hours is option B is the answer for 51. Okay, na? So that is, we have to divide with 24, or you can do the division in this manner. Okay, so that is here. That is 24 and then 120, that is 127. So 24 5s are 120. You can minus it, you will get the answer. Okay, na? Okay, good. So I hope you understood this. That is 51 question. 51 question is option is B. Okay. Okay, so next question here, students, that is, let us do 51 is done. Okay, so 52 will do now. So 52, this, don't be confused in 52, and here we have to do proper answer. Okay. 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 So 52, what you have to do here? We have to cancel it. Don't be confused. You have to cancel it. 124, that is 248. What is 248 divided by 13? Okay. Yes, this is there, right? So you have to cancel it. So that is 13 table here. So 248 divided by 13. Here you divide 26 with 2. 2 13s are 26. Here 2 how much? 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 48 will come. Here you divide with 3. 3 13s are will come. Here 3 if you divide, 3 1s are 3. 2 will be with 3 7s are 3 1s are 171 by 31. Now you add it. All will come 13. Right, 248 divided by 13 plus here after 2 division 26 became 13. Here 168 became 84. So 84 by 13. 84 divided by 13. Okay, and then next here plus that is 3 you divided 13, 171 divided by 13. So 171 divided by 13. Now if you add all of them 52, what answer will come? 503. You can go with addition, that is 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13. So 3 digit will come last, so that is 3 digit is in option B. So 503, you can go with like that, or you can add it, you will get the answer 503 divided by how much? That is 13. So 503 divided by 13. Don't be confused, you make it as equivalent fraction, students. This is for the syllabus, okay? 52 is for the syllabus, understood? You cancel and then make it equivalent fraction, okay? Okay, good. Next, let us go to the next, that is what? Here 53rd question, 53rd question, okay? 53rd question, what is the answer here? What? Decimal form of 0.125 written in the fraction form, that is 153, okay? So let us do 153. Okay. Okay, so next here, students, 53 question. So decimal form of 0.125. So 0.125, how will be written? So you know 3 decimal place. So 125 divided by 1000. Okay, 125 divided by 1000. So if you cancel it out by 25, how much? 25. 25 40 is a 25 5 is a. So 5 by 40. Again you can do. Also again. So divide by 5 again. So 5 how much? 5 8 is 5 1 is 1 divided by 8 answer. So answer will be 1 divided by 8 is option C for the 53rd question. 1 divided by 8 answer. Okay na? Okay. Next here students. That is 54th question. 54th question is what? Yes? Okay. So 54 question, if you see 54 here. So the decimal form of 152 divided by 125. You have to divide it in decimal point. So that will be 1 point. 1 point, because here 152 divided by 125. Okay. So what we will do here? 125. So 152 divided by 125 means, that is, we can take it as what? 5 into 5 into 5. 125 is 5 cube, 3 times. So 3 times means this we have to multiply with what? Here if you multiply with 2, this 5 2 we have to multiply with 2, this 5 we have to multiply with 2, this 5 we have to multiply with 2. Okay, there will be 3 decimal places. So the answer will be option what? That is, here we have to multiply with, now we have to multiply with 2 here also. Okay, so there will be 3 decimal places. Answer will be option that is B is the answer. Okay, option B is the answer. You can go with that. So that is 2 to 2, numerator and denominator I multiplied. Okay, so what answer will come? So 152 into 2 to 2 means, that is 8 divided by here 10 10 10. This will come 10, this will come 10, this will come 10. So 10 10 10 means what will come? So that is 10 into 10 into 10. So that is 1000. So 1000 means 3 zeros. Okay, so if you multiply with 8, what answer will come? 8 2 is 16, carry 1. 8 5 is how much? That is 40, 40 plus 1 41, carry 4, 8 1 is 8, 8 plus 12. So 3 zeros means, that is 1.216 will be the answer of option B. Or you can divide. Here we can also divide and then get the answer for 54. I hope you understood everyone. Okay na? Got it? Okay, good. So that is how you have to do. Okay, so 55th question is what? That is the total number of factors of 36. What are the factors of 36? That is 1 2 3 4 4 nines and then 6 6 and then how much? That is 9 4s 12 3s and then 18 2s and then 36. So how many are there total? So total if you count it, that is here 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. So 9 factors are there. Option is option B here. Option is option B here. Okay. Okay. 56 question. What is the answer here? Tell me. 56 answer. Okay. So 56 answer here. That is the product of two numbers is 384. If one of the number is 16, then the other number. So how do we find the other number? We have to divide it, right? So 56 here, 384 other number. Product means multiplication. This side you will go and it will divide. Other number will be 384 divided by 16. So you have to divide with 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 6 will be 16 fours are 64. So 24 will be the answer here. Option D is the answer for 56. Okay. Okay. Next, let us go to 57 now. 57. Okay. So 57, if you see, what will be the answer here? Okay. So that is the answer is option, I think that is D maybe, right? Yes, D is the answer. Okay. So 57, let us do the 57 now. Okay. Okay. 54th here, this is okay. So 56 I have done already. That is the answer here. Okay. So 57, let us do 57 now here. So the question is this, that is 3.5 plus how much? That is 3.05 and 3.005 and 4 into 3.05. If you multiply, what answer will come? 3.05 if you multiply that, again I have to add it here, right? Plus C is there. So let us do. So the 3 4s are 12. 12 point how much? 5 4s are 20. So 20 will come. 12.20. So 12.20. If you add here, nothing means, that is 0 will be there, here 1 0, here 2 zeros will come. Okay. So if you add, 5 will come here. This is 5. This is 7 point. Here 3 9s are 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 11. Carry 1 here. 21.755. 21.755 is option D here. Okay now. So that is this I multiplied here. Okay. That is the answer, option 21.755. Got it? Okay. So that is the answer for 57. Now let us do 58 question. Okay. So the fraction equivalent to, so 12.0 what 625. So 0625 means that is 4 decimal places. So we have to take 12.0625 divided by 4 zeros. So that is 4 zeros here should come. Okay now. So now we have to divide it, cancellation. So we will divide with 25. 25 4s are 100. So 400 will come. 25 how much are? 25 4s are 100 here. Okay. 25 4s are 100. 20 will be remaining. 206. 25 8s are how much? That is 200. 6 will be remaining. 25 2s are 50. 12 will be remaining. 25 5s are 125. Again we can divide with how much? That is 25. Again we will divide with 25. 25 how much are? 25 ones are 25. Here 15 will be remaining. 25 6 are how much? That is 150. Okay. So again we will divide with this also with 25. 25 ones are 25. How much will be remaining? 23 will be remaining. 232. 25 how much are? 25 8 is are, sorry, 25 9s are 225. 7 will be remaining. 25 3s are 175. That is 25 3s are 75. So 193. So 193 divided by 16 is the answer, option is D. Sorry, C. So answer option C for the 58 question. Okay now. Got it everyone? That is how you have to do. Now 59 question. What is the 59 question? The difference between the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number formed using 2190 and 4 is. So greatest and smallest number. So greatest will be what? Tell me, what will be the greatest number here? that is 9 and then 4 and then 2 1 0, and the smallest will be that is 1 0 2 4 9. Okay na? So minus, they are asking the difference here, they are asking the difference, we have to minus them. So if you minus them, that is 0 minus 9, 0 minus 9, what answer will come? That is 1 here, and then 10 minus 4 is 6, 61, and then 10 minus 4 is 6, 1 minus 2, 11 minus 2 is 9. So then here 3 will be remaining, 3, and then 8, 83961, 83961 is option D, that is a C. 83961 is option C for the 59. Okay, okay, good. Now 60 question. What is the 60 question here? This is the question, right? So we have to do this question now. Okay, so we know first we have to solve the bracket. We have to solve the bracket first, isn't it? Okay, so I hope it is visible. This answer was visible, that is 158, 58 answer was visible, right? Okay, that is next question, that is what here 59 question is done, 60 question we'll do now. Okay, so 60 question 1 by 7, 1 by 7 nothing means into will be there here, 17 plus 36 3s are into 7s are, so that is 36 3s are how much? 108, 108 into 7, 108 7s are 7 8s are 56, carry 5, and 5 here as it is 756 will come, 108 that is 36 and 3 108, 108 7s are 756 minus 5 2s are 10. Okay, so if you cancel it, that is here 17 plus 756 minus 10, so what answer will come? You add it first, 756, and then minus it. Okay, so what answer will come? 763 answer will come. Okay, 763 answer will come. So add them both and then minus it. Okay, okay, so that is the answer will come 763. So divide it now. Now cancellation will come, right? So 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 here 6 is smaller, 0, 7 9s are 63. So 700 and that is 109 answer for 60. 109 is option D. Yes, how was the paper, students? Was it easy or little difficult? Tell me in the comments. I hope everyone understood this, right? Very easy. Okay, so little bit complicated will be there, definitely, right? So that is we have to prepare. Okay now, I hope everyone understood all the questions. Yes, tell me, everyone understood? Thumbs up. Okay, good. Yes, so this is how you have to do the questions. Okay now, okay, good. So now let us go to the English part, students. Okay, we'll go to the English part now. So the first passage is what? This is the first passage. So nomads are a group of people who dismantle their homes and move to a new place annually. Most groups of nomads make their homes in the deserts where water sources run dry after a while. They live in makeshift tents that are both sturdy yet easily taken apart. What it is time to move when what it is time to move, they put all their possessions on camels as they go in search of new place. They find their way about the endless expanse of sand with the help of stars and the planets at night and footprints in the day. Despite their primitive lifestyle, a hierarchical class structure exists among the community. Camels are considered as the symbols of prosperity. The hierarchical structure is based on the number of camels one possesses. Nomadic life may seem to be without the complications of city life, yet they are beset with their own set of problems. Okay, yes, beset with own set of problems means they have settled with the problems. Okay, everyone will have problems, we have to either solve it or continue with that, beset. Okay, so beset with their problems means they have continue or settle with their problems. So 61 question, why do nomads move to a new place? In the search of, that is, water. So the water will be over, right? So they depend upon natural resources that exhaust fast. that is exhaust fast will be the answer. They love to travel, no. They have, option A is not possible, love to travel, not. Their homes, tents which can be dismantled, no, that is not the reason. These camels can keep moving, no, not is that is. They see here, most groups nomads make their homes in the desert where water source run dry after some time, after some time, right? That is a while. So that is why they move. Okay, so run dry, the water exhaust. Okay, that is why answer option C for the 61. Now 62 here. So what is the question here? If you see, which adjective can best describe the nomadic homes? Makeshift tents, sandy and sturdy. Which adjective can describe the nomadic homes? It is given in the answer, right? So the nomadic homes, so what, they put all their efforts position in camel and okay, so despite their primitive hierarchical then run dry the lives it in makeshift tents that are both sturdy yet easily taken apart. Sturdy, they are what? Sturdy, they are sturdy. Okay, so what answer will come? That is adjective can make describe best nomadic homes. Homes are makeshift homes, they are makeshift homes. That is the answer option A. So the if you read clearly, the homes are makeshift homes means make it and then you can disassemble. Okay, makeshift homes will be the answer 62A. Okay, so they are makeshift homes. Okay, so they are makeshift homes. Okay, next 63. Here 63 question, hierarchical class structure is based on what? The number of camels. Option C, number of camels will be the answer option C. So they have given, so here hierarchical class structure exists among the community. Camels are considered as the symbol of prosperity, right? Primitive lifestyle despite their so that is the answer option 63 is C. Okay, number of camels. So what guides the nomads to a particular direction? Elderly people in the tribe or stars and planets? So that is option D, stars and planets is the answer here. Okay, so stars and planets, here it is given in the passage. I just now read, right? Stars and planet, here can you see stars, with the help of stars and planets, so they guide themselves. So what does the word beset mean? Beset, here beset with their own set of problems means settle with their problems, right? So 65 is, that is affected by. Okay, 65. So what will be the answer? Beset meaning, what do you mean by beset? Okay, beset meaning is what? Anybody? To be affected, to affect somebody or something in a bad way. They are affected in a bad way, yet they are beset with their own set of problems. They are affected with their own set of problems. So beset means affected, get affected in a bad way, right? So get affected in a bad way means that is affected by. So they are beset with their own problems, affected by their own problems. Option 65 is A. Okay, so if you have marked it B, fine, it is okay. Okay, but 65 is A option, beset means affected. So what, here you can see without the complications of life, yet they beset with their own set of problems means they are having their own set of problems, they are affected by their own set of problems. 65 A answer will come. Okay, 62. So garbage is a great environmental hazard. It breeds diseases. A lot of trash that is thrown away contains material that can be recycled and reused, such as paper, material, glass, which can be sent to the nearest recycling center or disposed of to the junk dealer. It also contains organic matter such as leaves, which can enrich soil fertility. A compost pit can be made at a convenient location where the waste can be placed with layers of soil and an occasional sprinkling of water. This would help decomposition to make the valuable fertilizers. This would also prevent pollution, which is usually caused by burning such organic waste, is the passage. Now let us see the questions. Which of the following words is a synonym of hazard? Hazard means what? Hazard means a threat. Okay, So which of the following material cannot be recycled? Cannot be recycled is what? That is here plastic. That is you can see in the options, it breeds a lot of, so that can be such as paper, metal, glass can be recycled. Paper can be recycled, metal can be recycled, glass. So plastic is not recyclable. Okay, yes, so that is the answer. They have not given here, you can see paper, metal and glass. Okay, now 68, which of the following is not an advantage of making a compost pit? It prevents pollution. Yes, correct. It, the leaves in the compost pit can make the soil fertile. Yes, that will be manure. It makes our surrounding beautiful. Yes, it creates valuable fertilizer. Yes, that is correct. Okay, so 68 C. So that is making a compost pit. It makes our surrounding beautiful. There is no relation between that, right? Yes, the pollution will reduce, prevent pollution, but it doesn't make beautiful, right? So for beautiful you have to plant trees and something else, right? Okay, so that is the C will be the answer for 68. 69, which of the following words is the antonym of the word valuable? Opposite of valuable, opposite of valuable is use less. Option B, use less. Option B is the 69. Now 70 question is here. What happens to the disposed material at the recycling center? So it is processed for reuse. Option B, it is processed for reuse is the answer for the 70. Okay, now let us go to the next passage, that is passage 3, students. Okay, so here dogs are very intelligent animals. Their ability to smell things is many times greater than that of humans. They can easily identify the sniffed things by smelling it again. Dogs are also used to today explosives due to their high smelling ability. Their hearing power is 5 times more than that of humans. Dogs are deaf, blind and toothless when they are born. They like to live in groups, but some prefer to live alone. Their breed of dog, Alaskan Malamute, has the ability to withstand temperature up to minus 70 degree, means that is in the cold region. Of course, when dogs are cared for properly and treated with respect, they can be incredibly loving, playful and intelligent companion is the passage. It is about dogs. So let us see the 71 question. Dogs are used by bomb disposal squad because they have what they are telling, smelling, that is sniffing, right? So they have good hearing power. No, they can detect explosives due to their smelling ability is the answer. Option bomb disposal means that is, you know, bomb disposal in the movies you may have seen. They will be having dogs and they will send the dog that will sniff if it is bomb, so that humans can be safe, right? So if you go near it bursts means we will get killed. So that is why dogs are used. So explosives, smelling capability, that is the answer. Option B. Now 72, Alaskan Malamute can live in extreme cold climatic condition because it can withstand what? Temperature up to minus 70 degree. Option C is the answer for 72. Okay, 72 is answer option C. Okay, okay, so that is okay. Yes, so that is it can withstand minus 70 degree. Option C is the answer for 72. 73, dogs also need to be treated with respect because they can be loyal servant to human beings, right? They are faithful companions to human beings. So what will be the answer here? Yes, so 73, right? So 73 is what is given in the option, that is passage. Let us see. So respect with because what? So of course when dogs are cared properly and treated with respect, they can incredibly loving, playful and intelligent companion. Companion means friend. Okay, so that is given. So they can be faithful companion to human beings. That is the answer. Companion should be there, right? So you can see here companion is given in the passage. That is why companion option D will come for the 73rd. Okay, so 74, antonym of faithful. Faithful means that is trustful. Opposite of trust is what? That is undependable. Option C, that is undependable, will be the answer. Okay, so devoted is also faithful, unhesitating, that is also like kind of dedicated is also faithful. So undependable, we cannot depend. Trust, faithful means trust, undependable means no trust. Okay now, so that is why 74 option C will be the answer. 75, the most appropriate meaning of the incredible. Incredible is what? That is believable, right? Believable will be the answer. That is what? 75, right? So impossible to believe. Incredible means that is very high, unlikely. Incredible, something incredible happened. You cannot imagine that happened, right? Sudden surprise thing happened. Surprise thing happened means impossible to believe that is happening. That is the incredible. Incredible is something big happened. We cannot imagine that you cannot think of. That incredible means impossible to believe. 75 is A answer. Okay now? Okay, good. Next, passage 4. Birds play a very important part in our environment and are an essential part of the food chain. They help maintain a perfect balance of nature. In forest, for example, some birds feed on plants, whereas others survive on small insects and earthworms. Birds and bird eggs in turn serve as food for bigger animals, such as foxes and snakes. Such food habits and relationship prevent any one species from becoming too large. Besides being part of food chain, birds play other important roles too. By eating insects, they protect plants against pests. Some nectar feeding birds are called pollinators because when they sit on a flower to suck nectar, some pollen gets stuck to their bodies, which drop off on another flower when they sit on it. In this way, help create new plants, right? That is, pollination, right? So next, let us see the 76 question here. So what is the 76 question here? That is, which of the following is the correct order of food chain? Birds, insect, earthworm, foxes, snakes, and then bird egg. No, that is not correct. So bird egg, bird will come, and then small insect, and then earthworm, foxes and snakes, insect and earthworm, and then foxes and snakes, bird and eggs. Okay, so that is here. So insects and earthworm, and then bird will be eating bird, egg, and foxes and snakes. Okay, yes, that is option is what? Bird egg. From bird egg, bird will come. Bird will eat small insect and earthworm, and then what? That is here birds eat insect and earthworm, option A if you see, and foxes and snakes, birds, and then bird egg. No, birds eat this and foxes eat this, but that is foxes will also what? If you see here, it is given in the option, there is a passage, right? Birds and bird eggs in turn serve as the food for bigger animal, right? So foxes and snakes. Insects and earthworm, birds, bird eggs, foxes and snakes. So 76 will be option D here. 76 will be option D or option B, bird egg, bird, small insect and earthworm, foxes and snakes. No, foxes and snakes eat what? Bird, that is bird and bird egg. So foxes and snakes will be bird and bird eggs. Okay, so that is why answer option D for 76. Okay, so insect and earthworm, birds eat and bird give eggs. Eggs will be eaten by foxes and snakes or birds. Okay, so 76 is option D. 77, by eating plants and other animals or insects, birds help to maintain what? Ecological balance. Ecological balance, that is 77. A is the answer. Okay, so 78, in this passage dash has been referred to as pollinators. Birds is been referred as pollinators. Okay, 79, which pair of the words used in the passage have a similar meaning? essential, important, essential, perfect, important, balance, important, numerous. So essential, which pair of the words in the passage have similar meaning? Where is essential given? If you see, so birds are important part of what in our environment, okay, and are essential part of our food chain. Yes, important and essential, if you see here, both are given in the same first line only. So essential and important will be the answer option A. Answer option A, okay. So that is the correct usage. That is 79. Essential and important is given in the first line, okay. So that is the same meaning. They are important for the environment and important for the food chain also, okay. So that is 79 is A answer. 80. Birds help in all of the following areas except in maintaining a balance, correct. Protecting plants against pest, correct. Helping in cross pollination, yes. Helping produce honey, no. Birds cannot produce honey. Option D is the answer for 80, okay. Yes, so bees, honey bee is a bee, not bird, okay. So 80 is option D is the answer. So that is, these are the answer for this paper. Everyone, I hope understood. Yes, everyone understood, students? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, good. So that is the answer for this. It was, how was the question paper? Was it easy or little tough? Little bit. English was little complicated, and then maths also little bit complicated. This is how the question paper will be tomorrow. So everyone practice well. Everyone practice well this paper. If you have doubt, we will join at 3 o'clock. We'll join at 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. There will be live class. You have food and come at 3 o'clock. We'll sit and clear other doubts. Okay, now? Okay, students. We'll see tomorrow. Bye bye.